Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am your friend Ramesh. Now we will discuss one of the quality company, India's number one financial company. In past 10, 15, 20 years onwards, it is giving the very good returns. Already it is created wealth for the long term investor. In coming years also it will create the wealth for the long term investor. Short term, the wealth creation is not possible in the short term. So if you invest in the stock market, you have the patience. Without patience, in the short term, you will not create the money. So we will discuss the company. What is the company? So the company name is Bajaj Finance. It is a financial sector related company. So its business is related to consumer finance. It giving the loans on mobile phones, AC, like all consumer items, and also it giving the home loans. So it is one of the biggest company in the financial sector. If you see the fast performance of the company, in last 1 year it will become 133% returns, and in the last 5 years it become 7 times in the last 5 years, and in last 20 years. So this will give the returns. In the last 10 years it given the returns 1,16,974%. That means your money become 1200 times in the last 20 years. So I hope in the coming years also it will give like this performance. So we have to invest in this company to create the wealth. So before invest a company, we have to see the financial performance. The company performance is balance sheet. We have to check the balance sheet, and we have to see the account quality. Then only we decide it is quality company. So we have to observe the financial trend. In 2017 the revenue is 9.99 crores, and 2018 12.76 crore, 2019 18.5 crores, and in 2020 26.39 crores. So the revenue is continually increasing. And if you see the profit, in 2017 1.84 crores, and 2018 2.5, and 2019 3.99 crores, and 2020 5.26 crores. So this is a very good sign. Every year the profit and revenue increase continuously. So it is one of the best quality company to create huge wealth. So if you see the financial performance, once if you observe the income ratio, EBITDA, in 2012 EBITDA is 613.99 crores, in 2013 891 crores, and 2014 1120 crores, and 2015 1392 crores. So it is increasing every year on year. Its EBITDA is increasing. In 2020 it became 76,016 crores. So it is a very good sign. If you see the net income of the company from 2012 it is 406 crores in 2013, 591 crores, and 2014 719 crores. Every year its net income is increasing. So this is the one of the finest company. If you see the shareholding pattern, total promoting holding is 56.12 crores, mutual fund holding is 6.25 crores, and other domestic institution like mutual funds 2.13 crores, foreign investors 23.89 crores, foreign investor FIIs, and retail others. Retail means like general people in the India holding 11.61 crores. If you once check the balance sheet of this company, total assets of this company in 2012, it is 12,928 crores. In next year 17,806 crores, next year 24,000, next 32,000. So every year its total assets are increasing. So it is a quality company. If you a company like this performance, then we have to select that company for investment purpose in the long term. So I am telling to all my YouTubers, you have to invest in this company for long term, then you can create the huge wealth. If you like this content, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications, and share my video to all your friends and family members, and press the like button. Thank you.